Hi, welcome to this presentation on EAL's new Level 3 award in the design, installation and maintenance of heat pump systems. This presentation is going to go through introductions to the BSE team, qualification details, the assessment details and the resource packs available. So just a quick introduction to the BSE engagement team. We have Kev Sparrow as our Senior Industry Manager. We have Paul Smithies as Technical Advisor with an Electrotech background, and myself, Andy Beresford, Technical Advisor with a Plumbing and Gas background. Our contact details are in the presentation, and we are supported by our product specialists and our full-time EQAs. If you haven't already, we'd like to suggest that you sign up for our BSE update service. This can be found on our website in the BSE section. If you scroll down, you will find the register for updates. It will not spam the inbox. It just gives you access to our updates quicker than going through Smarter Touch. So things like product manual changes, they will come straight to you. Okay, so qualification details. The Level 3 award in the design, installation and maintenance of heat pump systems has a guided learning hours of 30, which includes the assessments. Entry requirements: candidates must be 18 plus, hold an NVQ or SVQ level 2 in plumbing or heating and vent or oil fired technical services or gas installation, or be a heating engineer with a minimum of 3 years experience of installing wet central heating systems. Must hold water regulations, energy efficiency and domestic hot water storage systems G3, and is for learners who wish to become competent in the design, installation and maintenance of heat pump systems, the non-refrigerant circuits. The qualification is recognised as level 3 and regulated. It is recognised by the MCS and by FlexiOrb for their heat pump scheme. It meets the requirements for the design and installation of heat pump systems. And we offer delivery packs, learner packs, assessor packs and links to the MCS documents. So the structure itself has one on-screen multiple choice exam covering the core knowledge, and then the practical tasks marked by the centre covering task 1 is design, task 2 is the planning and installation, task 3 commissioning, and task 4 service maintenance and fault finding. So looking at those assessments in more detail, the total assessment time is 4 hours and 55 minutes. The online exam is 90 minutes with 45 questions. It is closed book, but candidates are allowed calculators, pens, pencils and paper. Indicative pass mark of 60%. They get a maximum of 3 attempts, which resets can be taken after additional training and feedback has been given. And there is an online practice exam available for learners beforehand. Okay, so task 1, the design, 25 minutes. It covers calculators, pens, pencil and paper are allowed. It is scenario based. There are 3 questions, all of which must be passed to progress. And it covers size and selection of air source heat pump systems and components for an identified dwelling. So task 2 is the install. It is 60 minutes, scenario based again. The learner will complete the MCS 020 assessment form, the heat pump sound calculation. They will select appropriate tools and materials. They will install the heat pump unit, route and connect primary pipework, including the installation. Install the condensate drainage, make electrical connections and connect control systems. They will perform leak testing, check refrigeration levels, power up the system, and then check the basic operation and complete the installation documentation. All steps must be successfully completed. So task 3 is the commissioning, 60 minutes. They will correctly follow the commissioning instructions for the heat pump they have installed, properly balance the system and set the temperature controls, identify and rectify any operational issues, demonstrate understanding of system controls and operation, and complete the commissioning certificate. And task 4, again 60 minutes, scenario based, is 4 oral questions relating to the inspection and service of the system using the Heat Pump Association annual service checklist. Identify and document any faults found during the service and complete the service sheet accurately. And that will then complete their assessment. So the resource packs that we offer, we have a delivery pack, which will cover scheme of work, the learning outcomes, and more information on the assessments. We have the learner pack, which will cover all the information on the assessment, give them the paperwork they need to complete, and any tables and references that they need. And then finally, the assessor pack, which helps the centre structure the assessment, will give the information on the materials required, how to run the assessments. And that is really our new qualification. On the screen at the moment, you will see the contact details for EAL. And if there are any queries, we would suggest contacting either Paul Smithies or myself, whose information is at the start. And we will be happy to arrange to discuss it with you or drop in and talk it through with you and the team. So that just leaves. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.